This content is made possible by our sponsor. It is not written by and does not necessarily reflect the views of Engadget's editorial staff. Techie toys aren't just for kids. Adults who are interested in electronics and are curious about programming can benefit from playtime too. After all, hands-on activities are a great, not to mention entertaining, way to learn, especially if you're building your own little robot friends from scratch. If you have an affinity for all things electronics, get your hands on this bundle of wacky robots, which costs just $49.99 right now. These cute and colorful mini robots aren't child's play. Learn the ins and outs of electronics programming and soldering with this set of 5 whimsical gadgets. Created by Circuit Mess, the team behind top educational electronic devices, the set comes with everything you need to build mini robots. No science education or special tech training. Meet your new friends Bob, Capacitron, Mr. B, Marvin, Resistron. Each mini robot is as fun to build as the next and delivers unique lessons in a beginner-friendly way. Take Bob, for example. You'll put together the 16-piece robot and learn all about light-emitting diodes, more commonly known as LED lights. Once complete, watches the 6 LEDs change color automatically. Mr. B provides an opportunity to learn about unbalanced motors, and by the time you're done building the 8-piece kit, your robot will move and vibrate, emitting a bee-like buzzing sound. As you build the rest of your wacky robots, you'll learn how capacitors work as well as how to differentiate between a push button and a switch. You'll also get schooled in resistance and Ohm's law. Whether your experience is just an entertaining pastime or you're inspired to dive deeper into the incredible realm of today's robot devices, this inexpensive bundle is a must. Hours of hands-on educational fun await you with this cute kit. Get the Wacky Robots 5-pack soldering practice kit for $49.99 at checkout. Price is subject to change. Engadget is teaming up with Stack Social to bring you deals on the latest headphones, gadgets, tech toys, and tutorials. This post does not constitute editorial endorsement, and we earn a portion of all sales. If you have any questions about the products you see here or previous purchases, please contact Stack Social.